Ever found yourself pulling on blind cords with no luck? Or worse, watching your blinds come crashing down? You're not alone. Millions of homeowners struggle with blind mechanisms daily, and doing it wrong can damage your window treatments or even create safety hazards. You'll discover professional secrets that most people never learn. From mastering traditional corded systems to operating the latest 2026 smart blinds, we're covering every type, every common problem, and sharing insider tips that'll make you a blind expert. Ready to never struggle with blinds again? Let's dive in. Different types of blinds. Before learning how to lower blinds, it's essential to understand the main types you'll encounter in modern homes. Corded blinds are the most traditional type, featuring a pull cord system with a locking mechanism. These are still common in many households and apartments. Cordless blinds have gained popularity due to safety concerns, especially in homes with children. They operate through spring mechanisms or manual lifting systems. Motorized blinds represent the latest technology, controlled via remote, smartphone apps, or voice commands. Vertical blinds, commonly used for sliding doors and large windows, typically use chain or cord systems for operation. Basic tools and preparation. Lowering blinds doesn't require special tools, but proper preparation ensures smooth operation. Clean hands prevent leaving marks on the blinds, especially on white or light-colored materials. Check the blind mechanism before attempting to lower them. Look for any visible damage, tangled cords, or obstructions. Ensure the area around the window is clear to avoid accidents when the blinds come down. If you have pets or small children in the room, make sure they're at a safe distance from the window area. Step-by-step guide for corded blinds. Corded horizontal blinds are the most common type in older homes and apartments. Start by locating the cord lock mechanism, which is typically a small plastic piece where the cord enters the headrail. To release the lock, gently pull the cord away from the window at approximately a 45-degree angle. You should feel or hear a slight click indicating the mechanism has released. Once released, pull the cord straight down in a controlled manner. Never yank or jerk the cord, as this can damage the internal mechanisms. Lower the blinds to your desired position, then allow the cord to return to its natural vertical position against the window frame. The lock will automatically engage when the cord is straight. Operating cordless blind systems. Cordless blinds require a different approach since there's no cord to pull. For spring-loaded cordless blinds, place both hands evenly on the bottom rail of the blinds. Apply gentle, steady downward pressure while maintaining control of the descent speed. The spring mechanism will release and allow the blinds to lower smoothly. Keep your hands on the bottom rail throughout the process to prevent the blinds from dropping too quickly. Some cordless blinds have a slight resistance. This is normal and helps control the lowering speed. For motorized cordless systems, simply use the provided remote control or smartphone app to lower the blinds to your preferred position. Handling vertical blinds. Vertical blinds operate differently from horizontal ones and require specific techniques. For chain-operated vertical blinds, locate the continuous chain loop usually positioned on one side of the headrail. Pull the chain on the side that draws the slats away from the window. The exact side depends on your specific installation. Use steady, even pulls rather than quick jerks, as vertical blinds are heavier than horizontal ones. For cord-operated vertical blinds, the process is similar to horizontal corded blinds. Pull at a 45-degree angle to release the lock, then straight down to lower. Before operating vertical blinds, ensure all slats are properly aligned to prevent jamming. Troubleshooting common problems. When blinds won't lower, several issues could be at play. Check if the cord lock is properly engaged or if there's a travel lock on cordless models that needs disengaging. Tangled cords inside the headrail can prevent smooth operation. Gently shake the headrail, or try raising and lowering the blinds completely to untangle them. If blinds lower unevenly, with one side dropping faster than the other, this usually indicates cord problems or internal mechanism issues. For motorized blinds that won't respond, check battery levels or power connections. Never force a mechanism that seems stuck, as this often leads to more expensive repairs. Safety tips and maintenance. Safety should always be a priority when operating blinds. Keep loose cords out of reach of children and pets by using cord cleats or cord shorteners. Regularly inspect cords for signs of fraying, stiffness, or discoloration. Replace damaged cords immediately. Clean blind mechanisms monthly with a dry cloth to remove dust buildup that can interfere with smooth operation. Lubricate moving parts seasonally with appropriate lubricants recommended by the manufacturer. When cleaning, avoid getting water on cord mechanisms, as this can cause swelling and malfunction. Professional tips for smooth operation. Use the two-hand technique whenever possible for better control and to prevent uneven operation. One hand guides while the other controls the movement. If your blinds start acting irregularly, try the reset method. Raise them completely to the top, wait 10 seconds, then lower them again. This often resolves minor mechanism glitches. For optimal energy efficiency, lower blinds during sunny winter days to capture heat, and keep them closed during peak summer sun to reduce cooling costs. When moving into a new home, test all blind mechanisms before assuming they work properly. Many issues are easier to address before you rely on the blinds daily. When to call professionals. Some blind issues require professional attention rather than DIY fixes. If cords break inside the headrail, internal mechanisms make grinding noises, or motorized systems fail to respond to all controls, contact a professional. Attempting complex repairs without proper knowledge can lead to more expensive damage. Professional servicing is also recommended annually for motorized systems to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Keep warranty information handy, as many blind manufacturers offer repair services for defective mechanisms within the warranty period. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tutorials.